Welcome back to Unboxing Guru. Today we are diving into all new MagSafe Qi2 3-in-1 Cube Charger, a revolutionary charging solution designed for your Apple ecosystem. This beast is packed with Qi2 revolutionary charging technology, delivering 15-watt fast charging for your smartphone, 5-watt for your AirPods, and 2.5-watt for your Apple Watch, all in one sleek cube. The device looks so compact, easy to carry, and the finish is super premium. Well, it is designed for the convenience. The 60-degree tilt lift offers an ergonomic viewing angle while charging your device. Stay connected, stream, or browse effortlessly. But if you need more flexibility, the separable watch module lets you charge your Apple Watch anywhere, anytime, perfect for travel. This is smart and secure. The built-in foreign object detection ensures safe charging by detecting unwanted metal objects, preventing overheating and energy waste. Also, this brand has been awarded with the Red Dot Design Award 2024-25 and crowned as the Brand of the Year 2024-25. A charger that's as stylish as it's powerful. So if you're someone who really into the Apple ecosystem, this is the perfect charger for you. You don't have to carry multiple adapters, you don't have to carry multiple cables, just one charger that can be easily put it into your bag and can be travel around with you. Now conclusively, let's look all the points that this charger provides. Smartphone output 15 watt max, earbuds output 5 watt max, Apple Watch output 2.5 watt, Type-C interface, quick charge, strong magnets, and heat dispatch vents. Each and everything has been tested and QI certified. So if you really want to upgrade your charging game today, the MagSafe Qi2 3-in-1 Cube Charger, where power meets precision, available now for just rupees 3000. And if you really want to check this out, the links are given in the description. But before leaving, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unboxing Guru for more epic tech reviews. See you in the next one.